Today we are going to study about linear equation of two variables. But first of all, I will give you a little bit idea about the linear equation. Linear equation in which all the variables have single power. For example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 3, in which we can see there is a single variable, this is x, which have exponential power is 1. So this is linear equation. For another example, x plus y is equal to 10, in which we can also see there is two variables x and y, both have exponential power 1. So we can say this is also a linear equation. Another example, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We can say this is also a linear equation? No, because in which we can see there is x which have exponential power 2. So we can say this is not linear equation. So I think you get it about the linear equation. And another kind, linear equation always represent in graph a line. If we demonstrate all the equation in the graph, it's always going to represent a line. So first example, we see 2x plus 1 is equal to 3, in which we can get x is equal to, after solving, 3 minus 1, 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. So we get only x is equal to 1 is the only solution of single variable equation, because only x is equal to 1 going to satisfy always this equation. If we put x is equal to 2 and solve it, 2x into 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 is equal to 3? No. So we can say in the single variable, only one single variable have only one solution. But in the case two variable, there is one problem. Like if we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10, it's also give you 10. If we put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 9, it's also give you 10. And x is equal to 5 and y also 5, it's also give you 10. So how many points which is going to satisfy this equation? Answer is infinite. We can't demonstrate all the solution in graph, so we use graph for demonstrate all the solution, like so you have already mentioned the linear equation always represented by line, and then for forming a line we need 2 points, because if we have 1 point, there is infinite number of lines which is going to pass this point, like this, and this. There are infinite number of lines which is going to pass a single point. So making a line, we need 2 points. For solving this equation, x plus y is equal to 10. We know there are infinite number of solutions which is going to satisfy, but making a simple calculation, we put x is equal to 0, Then we get 0 plus y is equal to 10. So we get y is equal to 10. And another example, if we put x is equal to 10, we get y is equal to 0. So we get 2 points for making a line like this is xy curve in which there is x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. We can assume is x is equal to 10, 10, 0. Similarly, in a y direction 0, 10. Joining these points, we get the solution, a line which represents x plus y is equal to 10. So we can say this is the line which contains all the solution which this equation have. Another classical example is like x plus y is equal to 0. For we know already we need 2 points for making graph. So we put x is equal to 0. Then we get also 0 plus y is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 0. If we reverse like put y is equal to 0, we also get x is equal to 0. So it's the same point. But there is a problem. We have one point which is origin, but if we make line, there is infinite solution. We already mentioned that for making a line we need 2 points. So we can put another point in x like x is equal to 1. Then we get y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 1 and in y minus 1. This is the line which are going to find out for solution. I also draw in little bit clear like x and y. With x 0 and y 0, this is origin, and x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1, like x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. So we get the line which is x plus y is equal to 0, which contain all the solution which gonna satisfy this equation. I hope you understand the linear equation. Thank you.